This is Anthony Woods with International Futures Group in Chicago, a division of EFG Group, with today's market review from March the 18th. Markets were relatively quiet early in the day, but we did have a Fed announcement later today, which caused a big explosion in the markets all over the place. Dollar index, which you know has had a big rally, is now down over 160 as we speak. Before the Fed announcement, the Dow Jones, which is down 160, up over 230 as we speak. Also, commodity markets rallied in general. Crude, which is down $1, is now up $1.30. Heating oil is up over 800. The RBOB is up over 800 also. So energy's up across the board. Even the metals finally had a positive day here. Gold up over $20, silver up over 35 cents. The meats were mixed. Hogs down over 100. Cattle up limit in feeder cattle and live cattle. We keep talking about the April hog cattle spread, which is now close to 96. At some point, obviously, it should get back somewhere close to normal, but the market just kind of keeps going, like I say, two ships to pass in the night. In the grain markets, you also had a mixed trade earlier, but corn finished up about 3.5, wheat up 7, beans up 10 cents. I still think rallies in beans are meant to be sold. I still think these corn under $4. It probably should be bought, in my opinion anyway. I think they have to expand acres for farmers, or I should say give them a reason to expand acres. As far as the soft markets, cotton caught a big bid after the Fed announcement, up over 200. Two other markets I like to talk about is coffee and cocoa. Cocoa, which is had a break much more than I thought it would. It was down over 60 yesterday, finished slightly unchanged. Down over 60 today, finished down 30. That leads me to believe there's some underlying buying under the market. So I think cocoa somewhere around 27, 25 is probably meant to be bought, in my opinion. Coffee had the biggest update it's had in a week and a half, settled over 140. I think if you see some follow through later in this week, I think coffee might have a fundamental reason also why it could have a significant rally. Brazilian's crop forecasts are all over the place, but the last forecast had it down from last year 2 to 3 million bags. So I think coffee is a market to keep an eye on. Also, like I said, I think there's some underlying strength in the cocoa market. That's the review today. Thank you very much. And this is Tony Woods from International Futures Group.